So the Digital Transformation Technical Leaders Program is, we developed it to respond to a need that organizations have to develop digital scientists. It's very hard to find them out in the wild, and so they want to develop them in-house, and most organizations don't have the resources to build their own program to do this. So the other problem is that these are very complex skills, right? It's everything from coding, thinking algorithmically, understanding how to do software versioning and software management. But there's other higher level skills too, like how do I actually define the problem that I'm working on and then prioritize, the solution that I'm going to create for that. So there's a whole bunch of skills that go along with that. You can't learn that in a week in a classroom training. We recognize this. Becoming an expert in a new domain actually takes years, 10 years maybe. And so we wanted to offer a program that would have a kind of a quick start where they could get going quickly and then would support them over the next year so that they could continue to develop these skills. And so the Digital Transformation Technical Leaders Program is that kind of a program. It's a high-touch apprenticeship program that spans over years where they're working on real project work in collaboration with our experts, and so that's part of the mentoring is the real long-term collaboration, but we also provide all kinds of support over the long term. Office hours, code reviews, we do lunch and learns that are tied to strategic objectives, and so there's a lot of different pieces to the program.